a 3D printer that builds rockets. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Tech Region. Today we are showing you a marvelous 3D printer that is churning out rockets. Sounds impressive, right? Well, it is indeed more impressive than what it sounds. So, let's begin with this video to know the entirety. Here we begin. Relativity invented the largest 3D printer churning out robots, that is, the Stargate printer, for the marvelous purpose of 3D developments and printing a rocket that intends to fly in lower Earth orbit. We can say that Relativity Space is now crossing the boundaries by inventing innovative 3D printing machines to build rockets. Still, Tim Ellis, the CEO of the organization, observes the influence of the organization to be reaching beyond their aim of the space industry. In one of his interviews, Tim Ellis stated that the organization is inventing, or we say reinventing, the underpinnings of the machine that not only builds rockets, but prints the entire stack of how to design, develop, scale, build, and more strategies about an organization. He further stated that 3D printing is the latest tech stack in the field of aerospace and robotics that the Relativity organization has been employing without changing the paradigm in the last 60 years. They are building the products one by hand with thousands to millions of individual piece products in the factory that are equipped with fixed tooling and a complex supply chain. The Long Beach organization in California has been growing rapidly since it was founded 5 years ago. For this organization, verifying the 3D printing strategy was enough to build the entire Terran 1 rocket. The organization then moved to the Future Factory and raised a whopping $500 million USD war chest of revenue or capital. Some top investors, including Tiger Global Management, Bailey Gifford, Mark Cuban, Fidelity, Jared Leto, and many more, are now valuing the company at $2.3 billion USD. The organization's push to create the next generation of manufacturing landed the Relativity Space at 23rd position on the CNBC Disruptor 50 list of 2021. Moreover, the organization is completing its work on its first rocket that they are planning to launch by the end of 2021 in orbit. That's commendable. The organization is strict on its schedule for the launch of a new rocket from their Cape Canaveral station later, in 2021. This was all stated by Tim Ellis in one of the interviews with CNBC's Tech Check event. In addition to all of these, the Relativity organization unveiled some of their plans to create a reusable and massive rocket than Terran that is designed to take the Falcon 9 rocket, which is now becoming the workhorse of the SpaceX organization of Elon Musk. The organization Relativity already has the biggest 3D printer in the world that can manufacture a single metal piece that is 32 feet tall. Almost 90% of parts of the Terran 1 rocket of the Relativity organization are 3D printed. That is the process which Tim Ellis stated as manufacturing the rocket. This method is somehow less complicated in terms of other traditional rocket manufacturing processes. In addition to all of this, the Relativity organization stated that the process is even simpler and capable of turning all the metal raw materials into the rocket on a launch pad within 60 days. That's again impressive. He stated that Relativity had launched their personalized 3D printers, which are not the most innovative things, but the best ones actually. He also thinks that the most innovative thing that the organization is doing nowadays is the fact that they are the first end product 3D printing company in the world. Surprisingly, they are not just building the 3D printer and selling it out of the market. They are not only designing their product and buying some others' printers, but the thing is they are integrating both of these works together. That is what we call innovative. Tim Ellis believes that the organization that can design the 3D printers is not selling a machine to customers, but they are selling a new philosophy concerning manufacturing. He also stated that they are telling the customers to throw all the existing factories away, including the designs and development, to let go half of their team and hire the new team to understand how to build a new yet innovative 3D printing factory. Moreover, as both the user and the creator of this innovative 3D printer, Tim Ellis observes that his organization Relativity is taking 3D printing from its infancy to what he states will be the most disruptive technology ever in the life of aerospace and other manufacturing industries. Unlike Elon Musk, Tim Ellis is also focused on Relativity to build a multi-planetary future for humans. He states that he thinks to inspire dozens of hundreds of organizations to go after designing a human presence on other planets a reality. Here he is talking about replicating the entire planet, and this is a monumental undertaking. To Tim Ellis, additive manufacturing is also the thing that is inevitably required to build the industrial base on planet Mars. He finally says that the future will never happen unless some organization creates it and makes it a reality. He further added to his statement that the Relativity Organization is now on the bleeding edge of what is the future of humanity, or how to build the future of humanity. So, with that, this is all about the 3D printer that builds rockets. What are your views over this innovative concept? Let us know in the comment section below. Until the next video, stay tuned and subscribe for more.